Hello friends, here is Guruvachan Singh. You have started watching your YouTube channel GS Bhavri. Today we are going to discuss about entity and the attribute in this video. ER diagram is most important topic of DBMS because 2 to 3 questions are asked from this topic in every competitive exam. When a software is developed, there are various things in the software because data of these things is saved in the database. When a user uses the software, he can fetch the data from the database as well as he can save the data in the database. So it is necessary to identify these things. Database designer identify these things. These things is called as entity in the term of database management system. Entity is a real world thing whose data can be stored in the database. If we take the example of college management system, student, course and teacher all are the real world thing whose data is stored in the database for the software. So entity is a real world thing whose data can be stored in the database. One point you should keep in mind, data is not stored in the term of the entity. Data is stored in the term of the characteristic of these entity. For example, if we want to save the data of a student, then the value of the roll number is saved in the database, as well as name, father name, mother name, date of birth, wall number, address of the student is saved in the database. These all are the characteristic of the student. So data is saved in the term of the characteristic of these entity. Characteristic of entity is called as attribute in the term of the database management system. And the real world thing is called as entity and the characteristic of these things is called as attribute in the term of database management system.